First of all, I was ikaw daw ang poster boy ng Himtayan.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Ikaw daw ang poster boy ng Himtayan.
Yes! Oh my gosh, second year na namin. Very happy that it was a success. I believe nanalo ng award last year yung Himtayan for, ang activation with regards to men. So I really love it. I really love being the face of at least this brand activation, yung Himtayan natin. Na talagang proud Watsons dito tayo.
Pero how does it feel that, big brands entrust their name sa'yo?
My God, these are brands that kahit hindi naman ako ambassador or kahit hindi nila ako KOL, I would still go to Watsons.
Yeah.
I went to Watsons for, how many years, especially with CK being a big Watsons goer. Talagang nadadamay ako nung time na yon, and then slowly talaga I was the one na medyo tayo Watsons kasi gusto ko kailangan ko bumili ng ganyan, naubos na yung ganyan ko. So when Watsons reached out, talagang very big accomplishment for me. Especially these types of brands, di ba? Parang para mapansin ka, di ba? Sobrang.
Pero are you into skincare?
Slowly, yes. Meron na ngayon. Of course, nung atleta tayo, medyo tayo, bad boy, di ba? Before nga, I always used to say, there was a time when the less you care, the cooler you were. Di ba? Parang pag hindi ka masyadong maarte, mas cool ka nun. Now, it's the complete opposite for me. It's really taking care of yourself, fixing your grooming, fixing yourself, para to show respect to everyone around you.
Pero what made you parang
Conscious.
about self-care, especially sa skin?
Nung pinapatry na sa akin ni CZ, pinapatry na sa akin ni CK yung skincare niya, slowly, nung nagkabuhok na ako, kasi dati kalbo ako ng basketball player ako, so nung nagkabuhok na ako, medyo nagtatry na ako ng iba-iba, and then moisturize yung skin mo din, syempre yung body mo, so talaga, may mga products akong slowly tinry. You always have to find also yung hiyang ka, and also something that you can put in your routine, kasi at the end of the day, it's all about your lifestyle also. Kung talagang wala ka namang time na 30-45 minutes in front of the mirror, pero at least, diba, you still do the things na kailangan para paglabas mo, confident ka.
Talking about your routine, what's your morning skincare routine na lang?
May pinaano ko ni CK sa moisturizer, vitamin C, mga ganon, mga dito sa eye bags, sunscreen, ganon, diba? Honestly, minsan hindi ko na nga alam kung ano yung ginagamit ko, basta sinabi ni CK na para dyan yan, okay, sige, sa papahay dito, twice a day, ganon, okay, sige, walang problema. So, slowly then, and then of course, when I started to use specific products, yung Old Spice, Irish Spring, tinry ko, Listerine, nag-start na rin ako kasi dati toothbrush lang ako, di ba? And then I always thought yung mga mouthwash, specifically Listerine, pang fresh breath lang. Hindi pala, pang talaga siya, oral protection, complete. So, marami akong brands na slowly through the years na tatry ko. And then, when I find the brand na talagang effective sa akin or hiyang sa akin,
Pero ba yung routine mo in the morning different sa routine mo before going to bed?
Parang pareho lang. Iba lang ata yung mga ginagamit. Merong iba kasi pang gabi, di ba? May mga ganun eh. Meron akong mga skincare na binibigay si CZ sa akin na overnight ko ginagamit. Also pag Oxycure, mga powder mud. Yan, pag may pimple ako, powder mud agad yan overnight. So, yeah, may mga bagay akong ginagawa ngayon na I never thought I would.
Pero personally, what do you look into into skincare products?
Number one, yung maarte kasing skin ko, sensitive skin ako. When I was growing up, actually, acne ako eh. Growing up high school and all that. So, talagang matindi yung acne ko noon. So, I stuck with the one which was the Pondsmen, yung black. I stuck with that throughout high school, college. And then now, na medyo tumatanda na rin naman talaga ako. So, meron na akong mga dati wala, di ba? So, I try to, take care of those also para at least, di ba? Sometimes maintenance lang naman talaga yan eh, di ba? They may not be there right now, but you don't want them, you don't want to reach a point na pag dumating na wala ka na magawa about it, di ba? Yung mga whatever it is na sa mukha ko, ganun. So, yeah, I try to take care of myself as much as I can.
You're one of the people online
Yeah.
who makes it parang taking care of their physical
Cool.
appearance cool.
That's what I try. That's what I try. Na parang, ako kasi syempre yung image ko puro tattoo pa ako, di ba? So parang grabe to, puro tattoo pero maarte sa katawan, maarte sa damit, ganun. So I think it's something na I started with, and then nung nag-click siya, nakita ko maraming na-influence, maraming na napapaisip, maraming napapapunta ng Watsons para bumili. Natutuwa ako when titos, I call them the Watsons titos, di ba? Yung mga kalalakihan na pinipicturean nila yung mga binili nila sa Watsons, tapos tatag nila ako. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi parang, uy, ibig sabihin there's one more guy na parang started to care care about himself, diba? And I think we deserve that, diba? We deserve also to have the same confidence and the same things na talagang maalagaan natin sarili natin.
And also, how do you feel that you get parang solid following talaga online?
Oo, sobrang
Alam mo, personally yeah, I do follow you. Napabili mo ako ng 2 sapatos, ng isang bag.
Yung mga budol, no?
Yeah. Alam mo yun?
Mga budol.
Parang, yun.
Yes.
How does it feel na parang you really influence people
Oh my God,
online?
sobrang ano sa akin yun. Sobrang appreciative kami ni CK for both our communities, yung mga market namin. She got the girl market, nakuha niya yung mga sissies niya, ako naman yung mga titos. Tuwang-tuwa kami talaga, blessing talaga lahat. We never take it for granted when people approach us, people like yan, yung mga sinasabi mo na may mga kwento na, ay, bumili ako ng ganito dahil nakita ko suot mo, or dahil nakita ko ginagamit mo. Sobrang appreciative kami nun. Of course, career-wise talagang malayo pa pero malayo na. Sobrang layo na. So, tuwan-tuwa kami.
Pero did you ever, parang dream of becoming, a social media
Basketball player ako
personality?
Growing up
But
talagang
ako,
basketball.
you're also parang physical
Trainer din ako
trainer
dati.
ka
So, I never thought that I would be, a KOL or a content creator. But I always enjoyed, interacting with people. Papansin ako growing up eh. So, nung nagkakaroon na ng social media, medyo ma-post din ako dati, ma-story. So, blessing lang talaga that I entered the content creation space at the right time. Pandemic lang naman talaga, napaisip ako, sige, why not, try na lang natin. So, from there,
Pero yun how do you keep yourself parang grounded despite all the followings online?
because I know that it's all a blessing. I know it's all a blessing. I know that hard work is part of it, but there's also luck in it. So I also know that it was given to me, it can be taken away from me na easily lang din. And that's why we always talk to each other, me and CK, na parang we need to appreciate where we are right now. Because the more you appreciate, the more na hindi mo papakawalan. And we always stay paranoid eh. I think that's the key to also when you reach a certain level of success to keep going is paranoid ka. Praning ka na mawala. Kasi pag hindi ka na praning, sabihin, hindi mo na masyado.
Hindi complacent ka
Oo,
na.
complacent ka na parang
Pero I think a big part of it kasi, a lot of people find you very authentic.
yes.
Sa posting mo
Yes,
and
yes,
everything you
yes.
do online.
Yes, authenticity talaga for me is number 1 when it comes to content creation. Gusto ko pag nakikita ko sila parang feeling nila kaibigan nila ako. Close
Yeah.
kami, gano'n.
Okay.
Hindi yung parang, uy, si Tito Mike, Tito Mike yun, nandiyan, kumusta ko na Tito, gano'n. So, yun yung ko talaga. Number 1 thing for us, authenticity.
Finally lang, what's your message to those, people who would like to find a career then online?
Oh, start. For me, that's it. You just have to start. You don't start being good at something naman eh. You have to gain the experience, you gain the lessons, di ba? Matututunan ka. Hindi mo matututunan yan kung di ka magsisimula. Sometimes we think too much about pwede ko ba i-post to, gusto ko na ba i-post to, may manunod ba nito. Sometimes wala din. Nandun ka pa rin dun sa kailangan mo matuto eh. Kailangan mo ma-educate yung sarili mo and no better teacher than experience eh. So with content creation, you just keep putting out content, see what works, see what doesn't work. You get to know yourself a little bit better. Ito yung kaya kong i-consistently gawin. Ito yung hindi ko masyadong kayang gawin. So makikilala mo lang and then slowly makikita mo naman na nagigets mo na yung content space. So I really push everyone to make content. Whether it be you want to be a KOL, a content creator, may business ka, di ba? I really feel like it's a necessity at this point natin.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Happy Father's Day, guys.
Yay!